আমি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰি আছোঁ 3rd June 2024 ইনিচিয়েলি MCQ from 2nd June যে লিডাৰ ৰিলেটেড তলৰ কোনকেইটা অপশ্যন কাৰেক্ট হয় যে ইয়াৰ প্ৰথমটোত কোৱা হৈছে ইজ এ ছাৰ্ভেইং মেথড ছেকেণ্ডটো ইটছ মোৰ এডভান্স ডাটা ট্ৰান্সমিশ্যন টেকনিক কোনটো শুদ্ধ আপোনালোকে কমেণ্ট বক্সত দিব পাৰে A B C or D নেক্সট যোৱাকালি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিছিলোঁ which of the following village was declared best performing tobacco free village in Northeast Rukmini Ford Moravita 𝐤𝐬𝐿 and none of the above মেইনছৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হ'ব পাৰে আসাম গভৰ্ণমেণ্টছ ই-গভাৰ্নেন্স ইনিচিয়েটিভ আৰু হাউ একাউণ্টেবিলিটি ট্ৰান্সপাৰেঞ্চি কেন বি এচিয়ৰ্ড আমি যোৱাকালি ডিছকাছ কৰিছিলোঁ ইয়াৰ ওপৰত আপোনালোকে ইয়াৰ ওপৰত মেইনছৰ এনচাৰ লিখিব পাৰে ইট উইল হেল্প now coming to this topic IIM will be the game changer for Assam okay so recently one committee was established the committee gave approval for a new institute IIM okay so he committee khonor report upor base kori the Minister of Education has conveyed the following in principle approval of proposal for establishment of new IIM at Maravita Kamrup district so Maravita important for prelims next to whole IIM Ahmedabad will be the mentor institute here logote in this article various things have been discussed such as why IIM will be the game changer yate koa hoise je Actis policy underot যিহেতু the northeastern region is very close okay to Thailand, Myanmar, Laos etc so it has a huge potential to be a modern management education hub okay it can be a modern management education hub second thing the northeastern states such as Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh etc can get help from this establishment for expert management of the local industries so local industry will be benefited third to key hole said new corporate institution will definitely come investing in the human resources here so it will help the region to grow logote IIT amar Guwahati ase so IIM hoy so eta hol technology second to human resource both things will get integrated aru it will help in holistic development of the region so these things are being discussed in this article logote 6 বছৰ নৱেম্বৰত IIM Act 2020 খন পাছ কৰা হৈছিলে and so certain terms let's start as visitor who will be the visitor the act designates the president of India as a visitor of every institute covered by the act তাৰ লগতে director appointment search committee selection etc and removal of IIM director ইয়াতে ভালেখিনি discussion কৰা হৈছে so those you can read from this slide okay so important for prelims যে কোড কৰা হৈছে Maravita আৰু মেইনছৰ কাৰণে কি আমাৰ ইয়াতে পজিটিভ কি আছে okay the next topic cost of fiscal profligacy now what is fiscal profligacy it means opposite to fiscal prudence it is the act of spending money or using something in a way that wastes it and is not wise okay so state governments is like freebies or subsidies খৰচ কৰিছে that is not helping the state right for example recently Rajasthan spent 97% and Punjab 80% of their total subsidy expenditure on electricity so social development yate amar talokor definitely hamper hoise right the finance commission in 2023 December said that freebies are fiscal disaster ঠিক আছে তো fiscal profligacy কি হয় important হয় then ইয়াৰ implication কি হয় যে heavy debt হ'ব পাৰে right তো ইণ্ডিয়াৰ macroeconomic stability hamper হ'ব পাৰে future generation suffer কৰিব পাৰে লগতে শ্ৰীলংকাৰ যেনেকে financial crisis hole those things may arise okay so finance commission already called the freebies are fiscal disaster so mainly mains karone important prelims karone term to basis of question ahibo pare next topic surging divorce rate so recently yat koa hol je 2014 there were only 100 cases of divorce in Guwahati now it has increased to 300 cases per month okay UN or mote ki koa hol 1970 pora 2000 leke there is doubling of divorce okay OECD tenakwa trend e koa hoy India trend to ki India global ke kom hoy je 1.1 per 1000 people annually okay so there are various vicious cycles like financial issues then less family time due to higher office time office labor etc those things are creating the issue So last year মেইনছত GS4 কুৱেশ্যন আহিছিলে যে ফেমিলি এজ এ ছ'চিয়েল ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন ইজ ফেইলিং চিমিলাৰ এটা কুৱেশ্যন আহিব পাৰে এজ এ ডাটা আপোনালোকে মেইনছত ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে নেক্সট টপিক ষ্টেট পলিউশ্যন কণ্ট্ৰল ব'ৰ্ড টাৰ্ণ 50 so it was established on 2nd June under section 4 of Water Act 1974 প্ৰিলিমছৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ঠিক আছে তো আমি 5th জুনত ইয়াৰে ওপৰত ভেৰিয়াছ এছপেক্ট এগেইন আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম ফৰ মেইনছ পাৰ্সপেক্টিভ নাও ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ফৰ মেইনছ এইবাৰ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট ডে থিমটো হ'ল লেণ্ড ৰিষ্ট'ৰেশ্যন ডিজাৰ্টিফিকেশ্যন এণ্ড ড্ৰট ৰেজিলিয়েঞ্চ অ'কে আৰু টেগ লাইনটো হ'ল জেনেৰেশ্যন ৰিষ্ট'ৰেশ্যন অ'কে তো লেণ্ড ৰিগ্ৰেশ্যন হৈ কেনেকৈ আছে এটা হ'ল নেচাৰেল এটা এন্থ্ৰপজেনিক হেভি ৰেইনফল ফ্লাড লেণ্ডশ্লাইড ড্ৰট ফৰেষ্ট ফায়াৰ মাইনিং ডিফৰেষ্টেশ্যন স্লেছ এণ্ড বাৰ্ণ প্ৰেক্টিচেছ অভাৰগ্ৰেজিং modern agriculture overuse of fertilizer are logote very important recently climate change okay so government of India via Namami Gange government of Assam via Assam Forest and Biodiversity Conservation Project with the help of France aru trees outside forest with the help of USA then greater Manas landscape conservation etc these are the initiatives for land restoration other than the national forest policy national afforestation program National Mission for Green India, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana, Soil Health Card, Manrega, Compulsory Afforestation or Campa Fund, etc. These are various dimensions by initiatives via which the issue of land degradation is getting addressed. Our important whole যে 2019 India COP14 of United Nations Convention of the Competitive মিটিংখন হৈছিলে আৰু তাত ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰা হৈছিল Delhi Declaration. Now Delhi Declaration is important because as per Delhi Declaration 2030 is the target year okay kihor karne to achieve the target of SDG regarding land related issue okay yar logote it call for synergy between the all three Rio Convention of 1992 okay means so karne important ho pare prelims so karne important ho pare Delhi Declaration 2019 Next, RIMPAC exercise. It's the largest biennial multi-level exercise. India will participate. Prelims are important. Kune koribo INS Shivalik. Okay, so India will be benefited by participating in this world's largest international maritime exercise held biennially since 1971. Mainly, prelims are important. Okay. Then Tonga volcano, very important. Why? The volcano could cause unusual weather for rest of the decade, as per study. Okay, Western South Pacific Ocean ase. Okay, so it is one of the 12 confirmed submarine volcanoes along with Tofua Arc. Okay, so generally, massive volcanic eruption usually reduce temperature because they spit out vast amount of sulfur dioxide. Prelims are important. Okay. However, Tonga eruptions had entered effect because it occurred underwater. Well, so eruption karne it produced a plume of 58 km high and produced the biggest atmospheric explosion ever recorded. Okay, so hetu karne koa hoise je it could create unusual weather for the rest of the decade. Okay, so prelims karne important code ase last year amar 2022 hoisa prelims volcano upor question aisile ebaru prelims karne important hobo pare. Next, Assam government then Tokla research to ramp up green tea leaf testing. Okay, Northeast Tea Association appealed before the minister to prohibit sale, stock, and distribution or use of certain pesticide. Very important for prelims as well as mains. The 6 pesticides: cypermethrin, acephate, imidacloprid, acetamiprid, dinotefuran, and fipronil. So, এই ছয়টাৰ ওপৰত FSSI in early March 2024 had made this entry to test these pesticides as per planters. Recently, Tokla Research Association আৰু 𝐒𝐬𝐿 have developed a rapid testing. নামটো কি হয় 𝐒𝐬𝐿. So, prelims কাৰণে these things are important. লগতে মেইনছত যিখিনি আমাৰ টিলেট কুৱেশ্যন আহিব তাতে আমি কেনেকৈ এড্ৰেছ কৰিছোঁ these initiatives can be given in answer. Okay, so 6টা আমাৰ pesticide, cypermethrin, acephate, imidacloprid, acetamiprid, dinotefuran আৰু fipronil আৰু লগতে 𝐒𝐬𝐿 developed by the Tokla Research Association আৰু 𝐒𝐬𝐿. These things are important for prelims perspective. আকৌ prelims কাৰণে important হ'ব পাৰে China's Chang'e 6 lands on moon's far side. So কিয় important? Because China's president said China landed a uncrewed spacecraft on the far side of the moon আৰু 𝐓𝐨 6 landed in South Pole 8 basin on the back of the moon. So 8 basin may be important for prelims. This is the first human sampling and return mission from the far side of the moon for the first time. Okay, launched by Chinese Long March 5 rocket. Okay, so ekhini mainly prelims karone important hoy. You can go through the points given along with the slide. So ekhini asle amar